Welcome TJ's RC. Today we've got the Gen 8 Axe Edition on the bench again, and we're going to be installing some weighted machined aluminum beadlock wheels. These are knockoff method wheels, I believe. I took the liberty of installing the other three off camera because you only need to see me assemble these one time to figure out how it goes together. So this style of beadlock rim uses this inner crush ring, which we've weighted with stick-on wheel weights. They're just automotive stick-on wheel weights. Put those all the way around. To assemble this style of metal beadlock, you take this inner crush ring, put that inside the tire. Make sure that wheel foam is even and that it's not pinched anywhere. There we go. The inner crush ring is installed. Now we're going to put the outer lock ring in first, and it just presses in firmly. Make sure that the bead is sitting evenly all the way around before you try to assemble the last piece. Now this last piece here has got these 6 screws line up with the 6 holes on the inside there. We're just going to set this flat on the table here, line those up, pinch that together like so, then take your trusty 2.5mm hex tool and begin fastening them down. You do a star pattern, working your way around until they're all evenly seated. Once you have all these tightened down, the wheel is good to go and ready to be installed on the truck. I like how those look, and I think having the weighted wheels is going to help the truck have an even better center of gravity out on the trail, having that weight down low. I think that they do make brass portal cover kits for the Gen 8, but I'm probably not going to do that. I went that whole make your truck super heavy route with the TRX4. The TRX4 is really heavy truck, and I don't want to go that direction with the Gen 8 here. I don't want to make it heavier than it needs to be. It's already a pretty heavy rig. The body is quite heavy. Having the weighted tires keeping some extra weight down low is going to help to compensate for the overly heavy body. Now, of course, we got to take this thing out and run it in the snow again because we made some changes. Oh darn. Hopefully that will be coming soon. Although the weather here in Wisconsin right now is being kind of crazy. We had single digits yesterday, and today it's going to be 40 degrees and rainy. So, I don't know. Thanks so much for being here. It wasn't a big upgrade video, but I do want to keep documenting all the stuff that we do to the Gen 8 here as we go along and make improvements or customizations, making it more our own special Gen 8 Axe Edition. You guys are awesome, and we'll see you in the next video.